This quick guide explains how to buy shares of Enliven Therapeutics Inc., a clinical-stage biotechnology company developing targeted cancer therapies. Enliven trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ELVN, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To purchase stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ELVN to find Enliven Therapeutics, then select the correct NASDAQ listing. Confirm the company name and ticker before proceeding. On the asset page, you will see a short company profile and the price chart to review recent movements. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and ticker ELVN to ensure this is the right stock. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the purchase. After the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps shown.